How to delete the saved passwords on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove saved passwords on Instagram. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to delete saved password on Instagram, open up Instagram first, then tap the profile icon from the bottom right, followed by three lines icon from the top right hand side, and then just go to Account Center. Now here go to password and security. Then there you can see saved login. So if you have saved the login information for your Instagram account, select that option and turn off the saved login option. Then after you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then remove them. Then after you've done that, you can also choose to change your password. And this way you can remove the saved passwords on Instagram. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.